Hello friends, how are you? I am Inam Laksha. Today we are going to discuss noun, kinds of noun and the categories of noun. So first we discuss what is a noun. Noun is the name of any person, place or anything. And when we talk about the kinds of noun, so first we discuss proper noun. Proper noun is the name of any particular person, place or anything. Like Zaid, Karachi, Mount Everest. Zaid is a proper noun. Why? Because it is a name of particular person. Karachi is a proper noun because it is a name of particular city. Similarly, Mount Everest is a proper noun because it is a particular mountain. So, proper noun is the name of any particular person, place or anything. Now, what is common noun? Common noun is the name of common person, place or anything. We take it as a general. For example, you can say that a girl is a common noun because we are not specifying, we are not giving the name of girl. We take it as general. Similarly, mountain is a common noun because we take mountain as a general. We are not giving the name of any mountain. Similarly, if we say that city is a common noun because we are not giving the name of any city. We take it as general. So when we take things in general, that is a common noun, and when we take person, place or anything in particular, that is a proper noun. This is the main difference between the proper noun and the common noun. Now we discuss what is a collective noun. Collective noun is the number or a collection of person, place or things taken as a whole, and we taken as a whole. Like you can say that a team, an army, crowd, parliament, class are all these collective noun. A crowd is a collective noun because it is a collection of peoples. A family is a collective noun because it is a collection of individuals. Similarly, a parliament is a collective noun because it is a collection of members or parliamentarians. Now we discuss what is abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of feelings, emotions, or it shows any state or any action. That is an abstract noun. It has no any physical existence. We cannot touch, we cannot smell, we cannot hear. So this is an abstract noun. So abstract nouns comes from adjectives. Abstract noun comes from verbs. Abstract noun comes from common nouns as well. Like you can say that from adjectives. The word kind is an adjective. From kind, the word kindness is an abstract noun. Like you can say that brave is an adjective, and bravery is a abstract noun. And abstract noun also comes from verbs. Like you can say that from growth, you can say abstract noun also comes from the verbs as well. From common nouns, abstract nouns can also be extracted, like child. From childhood. This is an abstract noun. And in the last, we are going to discuss the material noun. Material noun is the name of any material things or any substance, like silver, diamond. We can make other things from such type of things, such type of substances. Therefore, these type of nouns are the material nouns. So we have discussed the 5 kinds: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and the material noun. And in the last, we will discuss 2 categories of noun. The first one is accountable noun, and the second one is uncountable noun. The nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. On the other hand, the nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns, like books, apples, pens, tables. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So such type of nouns are called countable nouns. Countable nouns are also known as count nouns. On the other hand, like milk, sugar, oil, you cannot count. So such type of nouns are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns sometimes known as mass nouns. So this is the main difference between the countable noun and the uncountable noun. So I hope you got understand. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos and updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Goodbye.